Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. The intros are like literally the worst thing to do. Hey y'all, it's me, Taija, and you are watching Taija View. Today, I just wanted to do my makeup, so I'm like, I can do my makeup, y'all can do y'all's makeup, we can do our makeup together. It's been a little minute, so I'm like, today's a good day. I have nothing else to do. So I did get a palette from Walmart. It is Profusion, and it is the Chocolates palette. It comes with 21 shades with the ring light in it. 21 shades. I'll open it. Comes with a little handy dandy brush. And that is what the colors look like. And I was just feeling it, like it's so fall. Clearly, I already did my brows. Thank you, brow gods. And I'm just gonna prime my lids with the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the color Golden Amber. Just gonna put a little bit of this on my lids. And I'm going to blend it out with my lovely sponge.
I don't remember honestly what brand this is. I want to say it's Dose of Colors, but I could be wrong. I got it in the October boxy charm.
It's a sponge. Whatever sponge you like, use that. So I'm gonna start off with my Morphe M503, just a little fluffy brush. And I think I'm gonna go in, I'm so extra. I think I'm gonna go in with the Adventurous here. It's like a brown, like a light brown tan. I'm just gonna put this in my crease, and that's it. That's it, and that's all. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M503, same brush. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade. It is Groovy. And I'm going to place that right in the crease, a little under where I put that lighter shade, just to give it some depth. You don't want it to be blah. So that's just what I'm doing. Now I'm wondering, do I cut my crease or do I just apply it? I might cut it. Should I cut it? I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna use the Louise base, and I believe it is shade Rumour 05. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Cypress. This color is so pretty. I'm like, it just has to be on my eyelids. So pretty. So there's really no like dark brown in the palette, so I'm just gonna use this Morphe palette. It's the Bronzed Babe 9B palette. I'm gonna use Volcano here at the bottom. Kind of pack it on the outer corner of my lid. I'm gonna use a Morphe M503 again, same color, just to make sure it's in there and the color is good. And to blend it with the green so there's not a harsh line. All right, so I did my lashes quickly off camera. Thank God I did, because I poked myself in the freaking eye with the tweezers. it's just lashes. It's something about lashes. It's always a struggle. But I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner, and it is in the shade Call Me. So I never understood how people could just put their liner on without using two hands until I used these. This is gel, so it just goes on super smooth. So that clearly makes a huge difference. Now for the face, thank God. I've been waiting to cover up this disgusting pimple for like 3 days. I can't even deal. So I'm gonna go in quickly with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Just a couple pumps. This pimple is literally out of control. Like, why are you here and who sent you? It's disgusting. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation, and this is Desert Beige. I used this for the first time last week, I believe, and I actually liked it. Never used it, it was just sitting there. And I'm like, let me just try it. And it was actually really nice. So here we are again. Just gonna blend this in. There goes the singing. But this foundation, like, look at that. Like, you cannot tell me that doesn't look good. I was impressed. To conceal, I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer, just in the color Warm Nude. I'm gonna use my Maybelline City Bronzer, and it is in the shade 300.
And she would just bronze. And I'm pretty sure I'll contour. I cannot wait to get some coffee.
And for blush, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Island Hottie palette. And as usual, I'm gonna use these two shades here. So after all that, I forgot to set my concealer with loose setting powder. So I quickly just took a little bit and set my concealer. I used my Collab Set the Stage Ultra Fine Loose Setting Powder, and it's okay. And for highlight, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Pro HD palette. So this and that. Telling you, when that highlight hits, something about it. I'm gonna go back in with that same brown shade and just put it underneath. And I'm gonna add some mascara using the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. And to finish it off, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Coffee. And of course, I have to set it, so I'm gonna use my Hard Candy Long Wear Sheer Setting Spray. Sheer Envy. All right, so that completes the look. Everything I used was drugstore, so it's reasonably priced and it's very accessible. So hit up your local Walmart to pick you up some good stuff. Most of the things that I use today, I do use all of the time. So I definitely recommend anything that I use today. But other than that, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But most importantly, make sure you subscribe so you can stay along for the journey. Bye.